Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Android phone, enable location, and pick a mode that suits battery versus accuracy. Install an offline-capable app like Maps, Me or Awesome, and because these let you store maps locally. Once done, open the app and download the map area you need, city, region, or a custom polygon. Make sure Maps complete and verify storage location. This immediate step prevents signal-dependent failures and gives you a local tile set for routing and POIs when offline. Next, configure the navigation internals so offline use is reliable. You must switch the app to use its internal routing engine rather than online services. This ensures routes compute without data. Then download extra files, routing graphs, voice prompts, and search indexes, because missing components break turn-by-turn navigation. Also, adjust Android settings, allow app background location, set battery to no restrictions, and keep high-accuracy location during travel. These choices balance battery against performance. Finally, verify everything with a short test. Plan and simulate a route while you still have connectivity so the app caches data and confirms offline routing works. If the GPS drifts or shows your location inaccurately, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds and then re-enable location. This often forces a fresh satellite fix. If map tiles fail or routing errors occur, clear app cache, free up storage, and redownload the affected offline region. One tip: keep a small external battery and a spare storage card for long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.